안녕하세요, Teacher Angie.
안녕하세요.
Okay, so I'm here to deliver the power bank replacement of your old power bank. Okay, that is a new power bank, and that is from Mactan Korea channel.
Mactan Korea channel. 안녕하세요. 감사합니다.
Okay, bye bye.
Bye bye. Logi, di gede itu debu bang masa. Iwan be foto. Thank you so much.
안녕하세요, Teacher Nissan.
안녕하세요.
Okay, so I'm here to deliver the power bank replacement, your old power bank. Okay, and that is from Mactan Korea channel.
Mactan Korea channel. 감사합니다 for this new power bank.
Okay, and also I'm here to deliver one box of mini donut for you and also for Teacher Shella. Okay, and that is from Gegomduri Team Jangnim.
Gegomduri Team Jangnim. 안녕하세요. 감사합니다 for this mini donut.
Okay, bye bye.
Asaya teachers.
안녕하세요.
So, have you received the one box each of donut, mini donut, and that is all from Gegomduri Team Jangnim.
Gegomduri Team Jangnim. 안녕하세요. 감사합니다.
Maniwogo. Say bye-bye.
Grace.
안녕하세요.
Okay, so where is Teacher Michael?
Working.
Working. Okay. So I'm here to deliver the mini donut, one pack each for you and also for Teacher Michael. Okay, and that is from Gegomduri Team Jangnim.
Gegomduri Team Jangnim. 안녕하세요. 감사합니다.
Okay, bye bye.
Bye bye. Teacher Michael.
안녕하세요, Teacher Grace.
Okay, I'm here to relay your delivered puto cheese from Gegomduri Team Jangnim.
Gegomduri Team Jangnim, 감사합니다.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
안녕하세요, Teacher Mertes.
안녕하세요.
Okay, good morning. Okay, so I'm here to deliver mini donut, one box each for you and also for Teacher Virgie. Okay, and that is from Gegomduri Team Jangnim.
Gegomduri Team Jangnim. 안녕하세요. 감사합니다.
Okay, bye bye.
Bye.
안녕하세요, Teacher Ninya.
안녕하세요.
Okay, so I'm here to deliver the mini donut for you and also for Teacher Jean. One pack each. Okay, and that is from Gegomduri Team Jangnim.
Gegomduri Team Jangnim, 감사합니다.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
안녕하세요, Teacher Jean.
안녕하세요, Teacher Linya.
Gegomduri Team Jangnim gave you 1 box of mini donut.
Gegomduri Team Jangnim, 안녕하세요, 감사합니다.
감사합니다, Gegomduri Team Jangnim. Bye-bye.
안녕하세요, Chair.
안녕하세요,
So, since Teacher
Rosal.
is not around, so I will just give you her part, okay? So, Gegomduri Team Jangnim give you each 1 mini donuts. Please receive.
Gegomduri Team Jangnim, 감사합니다.
감사합니다.
Also for Teacher Rosal, 감사합니다.
Bye-bye.
Good afternoon, Teacher Shala.
After na Teacher Nisan.
Alright, so Kuya Rex visit our area and gave you this mini donut. It's coming from Gegomduri Team Jangnim.
Gegomduri Team Jangnim, 안녕하세요. 감사합니다.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
안녕하세요, teachers.
안녕하세요.
So, Gegomduri Team Jangnim gave this mini donuts, each one. Okay, palaw ko, be.
Gegomduri Team Jangnim, 감사합니다. For the mini donuts.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
안녕하세요, te.
안녕하세요.
So, since Teacher Gretchen and Teacher Rika is still at school, I'll just give it to mother of Teacher Gretchen. So, please receive this mini donuts from Gegomduri Team Jangnim.
Gegomduri Team Jangnim, 안녕하세요. 감사합니다 for Teacher Gretchen and Teacher Rika.
감사합니다. Bye-bye, te.
Hi, Jaya. 안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
So, you're here. Are you on day off? Only today.
Yeah.
So, tomorrow you have work. How about your schedule tomorrow?
Still the same.
It's still the same. Okay, so you're staying work, right? You can only visit here. Day off only. Only 1 day day off.
2 days.
2 days. Yesterday and today, or every 15 days, 2 days. Ah, good. So for this week, only 1. So another week. Okay. Okay, so I am here since you've already received 2 boxes of mini donut, and that is from Gegomduri Team.
안녕하세요, Gegomduri Team. Thank you for this mini donuts. 안녕하세요 and 감사합니다. Thank you so much for these mini donuts that you gave. Thank you.
So eat a lot, okay? Maniwago. Okay, bye-bye. Take care of yourself. Bye-bye. Bye, ate. Thank you. Okay.
Hello, Teacher Michael.
안녕하세요.
Okay, so I'm here to deliver mini donut for your study room students. 1 for level 1 students, also one for level 2 students, and level 3. Each 1 box each. Okay. Oh. And also, Nolpurun Sunamunim gives 500 pesos for drinks. Okay.
Nopun Suramunim, 안녕하세요. 감사합니다.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.
Hello, Teacher Marlinda. So I am here to deliver Zunaiza and Rachel. So 1 box each for mini donuts. So that is from Chajiunin.
Chajiunin, 안녕하세요. 감사합니다.
Kamsahamnida. Take a video for me, okay? Bye-bye.
Annyeonghaseyo, Teacher Dali.
안녕하세요.
Okay, so I'm here to deliver since Carl Jane is in the school today. So she have 1 box of mini donut, and that is from Chajiunin.
Chajiunin, 안녕하세요. 감사합니다 for Karjin.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
안녕하세요, Karjin.
안녕하세요.
So, Chajihonim gave you 1 box of mini donuts. Please receive.
Chajihonim, 안녕하세요. 감사합니다.
감사합니다, Chajihonim. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Annyeonghaseyo, Teacher Ninya.
안녕하세요.
Okay, so I'm here to deliver mini donut for Kim. She's in the school.
She's still at school.
Okay. And that is from Chajiunin.
Chajihunim, 안녕하세요. 감사합니다.
Okay.
For Kim.
Bye.
안녕하세요, Kim. You just arrived from school? Anyways, Chajihunim gave you 1 box of mini donuts. Chajihunim. Bye. 감사합니다, Chajihunim.
안녕하세요, Teacher Nisan. So, I am here to deliver your 3 boxes of mini donuts, and each level will have 1 donut. Each level class. Level 1, 1 box, 2 and 3, 1 each. Okay? So, in your students also, you have 500 pesos worth of drinks. And that is from Chajihunim.
Chajihunim, 안녕하세요. 감사합니다 for this mini box and for soft drinks.
감사합니다.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
안녕하세요. Las Vegas name. 감사합니다 for the school supplies.
Okay, 안녕하세요. So, Ate, Teacher Gretchel's mother. So, since Nicole is still at school, right? So, you will be the one to relay the donation since 2 teachers also is at school. So, Nicole will have 1 box of mini donut from Chajihunim.
Chajihunim, 안녕하세요. 감사합니다.
And okay na natin, okay na. And Bea and Princess is still at school. Okay, so how about Princess Ate? Is she feeling okay now? Feeling better? How about her cough, her asthma? Okay na. So that's why she went to school already. Okay, good thing. So I hope you will take good care of Princess and avoid her eating a lot of dried fish because it's not good for her health. Because she's requested dried fish, right? Okay, so I am here to deliver Bea and Princess. So you have the same sponsors who give you today, okay? So Bea will have 2 boxes of mini donut from Kim Young-sunim also. And since Princess is not yet arrived, so Oma, you will be the one to take a video. Okay, so Kongju will receive 2 boxes also of mini donuts and also 2 sacks of 5 kilograms and 1 pack of cans. So I hope you will feed more to Princess, to Kongju. Okay, so take care, Kongju also, Oma. So that is all from Kim Young-sunim.
Kim Young-sunim, 안녕하세요. 감사합니다.
Asa Makati? So that's all for today, and thank you, Ate. So ikaw mag-video, Ate? No, okay. So let the teacher Gretchen to take a video na lang for Nicole. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye. Si Ate.
We Paramnim give you 300 and 100. We buy 1 notebook and 2 ball pin.
We Paramnim. 안녕하세요. 감사합니다.
안녕하세요.
안녕하세요. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. So I'm done installing the power bank to your house. Okay, so I will instruct to you the power bank how to use it. So ang kaning wire kay kuan ni siya kaning ang iyahaning charging sa iyang solar panel. So kung imo ni siyang ibton, napawong ni siya. Dayon kung imo ibalik, mag-charge. Charging na siya nya. Ang kani siya nga gigamit nako kay para ni siya sa imuhang suga o ceiling fan. Mao ni siya ang i-connect. Imuhang suga dayon ang imuhang ceiling fan. So how to use it? Sige. Ang first buhaton nimo kay imo ning kuan pisliton, i-press nimo siya. Kani. So magawas niyang AC. AC dayon. Okay na siya, pwede na siya gamiton kung imo ning pasigaon. Tuyok na imong ceiling fan. Dayon, ang imong suga kay para dili na lisod ang pagpasigat, akon siyang gibuhatan og switch. Para yung switch. So paong suga kay para sa daytime tay pangunan niyo suga og ang ceiling fan, or depende niyo kung nasa inyong gamiton, kay mas maayo gabi gamiton kay para dili siya kas og battery. Then pangun nimo suga, kung pangun po nimo ang ceiling fan, pwede ra pod pangun nimo diri sa iyang switch. Okay. Dayon balik ta sa i-reverse. Ato ni siyang pangun diri daan, i-off. Dayon pagon po nimo para dili na mo supply ang iyang AC. Okay. Mo na siya. Gamit. Sige. Kira ganahan ra mo?
Ganahan.
Okay. And that is from Amagetonim.
Amagetonim, annyeonghaseyo, kamsahamnida.
Okay. Sige, suga. Para hayag. Sige. Balik ta. Amagetonim.
Amagetonim, annyeonghaseyo, kamsahamnida.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.